Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have in one dryer machine to repair. It is brand wise Whirlpool brand. This is ventilation system, not the condensation system. This ventilation system with dryer. This is 15 kg dryer machine. The having problem, it's getting heat, everything. But problem while running time, it's making huge noise. That's mean abnormal noise. We have to check properly the what is the problem exactly. It is should be the belt or the belt pulley, otherwise pulley adjustment, otherwise it should happening some defecting roller bearing, the drum roller. We have to check everything, and we will check what is the problem exactly. I'm opening door and I will check by hand. See, it is bad noise coming. Also, it's very tight. Anyway, we have to remove. After that only we can check. We will remove the covers, everything. After that we can find out. Remove these two screws first, and also here. Remove this filter. Also, after removing this filter, we have to remove these two screws are here. Top cover, and we can lift it up. After that it will come like that. It's very easy. Here only to push lock. This one very easy to remove. No need to remove this all. Just we can keep like that. We can keep like that. And now we can check. See, it's very hard. It's very difficult to remove. And now what we can do, we have to release here door lock connector. And after that, we have to remove these two screws. To remove these two screws. Now we can take it out. Here lock. Now we can take like that. Now you can see the drum. Here downside having drum adjustable. We have to remove this. Now you can see this belt adjustable pulley. We have to remove this one. We can take like that. After that, it's easy to release. It's like that. Now it's already removed. Now we can take it out. Drum. Now I already took out. Now we can check what is the problem exactly. Now you can check what happened to this roller. It is already gone. This is the problem. That's why it's making huge noise. But this is no issue. This one is okay. Now we have to remove this one and we have to replace this one. After that this will be okay. Now we have to find out the same roller and we will check. This one, the shaft also, the drum roller shaft also broken. See, this one side already gone. See, you can see this one side gone. We have to replace this one also because while we fixing the new roller, it will make again huge noise from this side because that one side already gone. Because of that, the shaft also we have to replace. After that, it will be okay. But this roller and shaft, no any issue. Now we have to change this one, and we can fix. You can see this already gone here because the drum struck with the shaft and drum also a little bit damaged, but it's drum also a little bit damaged, but no harm. We can use continuously, no any problem. Here it's already gone because touch with the roller shaft, but no any issue. We can use this one. No any damage. We can use, and we will replace the roller and shaft. After that, we will try to finish the job. Now I have to remove this all the screws. After that, we can remove the shaft, roller shaft, and we will remove like this all the screws. I already removed all the screws. Now we can take it out the cover. Now here only screw nut. This is number 14. I think 14 number screw nut. We have to remove this one. After that we can replace. Remove this nut. It is number 14. Yeah, it is okay. Now I already removed. Now you can check this one. See, it is already one side gone. Also here we cannot use anymore. Now I have to replace this one as same, and I have to find out the same one. This one not available from the market or company. We cannot buy, and we have to check any other from the used machine, and I will try to do that. Now, dear friends, I having the same, this one which is damaged one. This is I found. This one I can replace. This one no any damage. See, you can see it is no any damage, and also this roller I can fix here. No any problem. We can fix. And we will fix. I will fix it again. And now I'm going to fix it again. In fixing, we have to clean properly. After that, only we can deliver to the customer. Now I already fixed the shaft. Now I have to fix this roller. It is okay. Now I have to fix the lock here. It's like that will come. Okay, now finally we have to fix drum. The drum. Now we have to fix belt and adjustable pulley. Now it's okay, it should come like that. Door. This two door lock, it should come to here. This one and this one, both sides are same. It's come like that. Now I already fixed front panel with the door. Now I have to fix two screws. Here one. Drum. Now I already fixed drum, belt, and also here door lock, door switch. Now I have to fix top cover. I have to fix like that. This one. Now we have to fix two screws are here. Now everything I fixed already. Now I have to fix only back cover only. After that our job will be complete. And we will start the unit and we will check. Now I'm select already here. I'm selecting prime dry 60 and we will start. And I start already. Machine is running well. No any abnormal noise. Machine is working fine, no any abnormal noise. You can hear the noise. Before it's too much loud noise. Now it is normal noise. We will open the door and check. Yes, it is okay. No any issue. No any issue. Our job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video shortly.